Hello, Olga Show for you. We are in San Jose, Silicon Valley, and today we are in Club Autosport. As you can see, this is a big venue where you can do your private events. Also, nice, beautiful cars. This is one of the sports Ford. I'm not sure what model is that. Looks cute as far as I care, okay? And those cars, you can see a lot of them here. So here you can have breakfast, lunch, and dinners. You can have seminars, and I think it's very good that you can do that. Also, you can rent a place here for your businesses, and of course, if you want to rent a place for your car where you can keep it nice and safe and also fixed, maybe colored in different numbers or different design, you can do that too here, all at Club Autosport. You can buy the place here as well, and you can rent a place for your bus or big bus where you can live, but you cannot live in the bus, of course. You just rent a place for the bus. So we can show more for you in a minute. And here's Club Autosport with Olga Show review. What's also good about Club Autosport, they always support good causes. One of these guys, Get Yourself Checked Prostate Cancer Foundation. And it's because of their friend, Derek Des Martel, lost his battle due to cancer, and they will have a special event coming up, and they do it every year. So, good cause is always important, and of course, guys, please check yourself, so we don't want to lose wonderful men in our lives. Olga Show for you, we continue to see different cars. So, for instance, what if you cannot afford the car for every day of such use, but you really want to try, or before you buy a beautiful car, you want to try it. This is Lamborghini, right? So you can rent the car. How much it costs, you can find from Club Sportive, and they will let you rent any exotic cars you want, as long as you want. Or maybe you even buy it, so it's your choice. Okay, here's Olga Show again, and we are at repair facility of Club Autosport. As you can see, different cars here. BMW, Mustang, I'm learning about them, Ferrari, right, the horse. So we have Ford, which is racing cars, and you can see a fanatic of racing here, and they go different places. Laguna, not far away, Santa Monica, not far away from San Jose, Silicon Valley, so we all here. Of course, you can drive all the way to Florida, but we have major racing tracks here as well. And you can also rent a car, and while you rent an exotic car, your car can be fixed here. Color, paint, wherever you want it. Okay, so hopefully if you have any questions, you can contact to us, Olga Show, and maybe I learn more about cars as well, together with you or from you. Thank you. Bye.